No me abras SteamVR, por favor. Por favor, no me abras SteamVR. Bien. Bien, no abrió SteamVR. ¡Ay, la concha de tu madre! Okay. Is that what you want? To recenter, hold down. Okay. A ver, muchacho. Ah, los dos. Ahí va. Necesito todas las capacitaciones que puedas darme. ¿Puedo apagarlo? No lo puedo apagar. No, 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 no. Ok. Eso es un thruster. Y eso es movimiento lateral. ¡Oh, la puta! ¿Qué más tenemos? ¿Qué hay acá? Aguanta, aguanta, aguanta. ¿Qué es esto? Sí se puede. Muy... Ah, mira qué lindo. Sí, ahí está mejor. A mí me gusta más. Un poquito más arriba. Ahí. Ahí está hermoso. Ahí está perfecto. Esto está bueno. Ok, es Nave Cat. AI 1, AI 2. Este, no sé qué es. No sé qué es eso. ¿Y esto? ¿Touchable? No, no se toca. No hay nada. Esto está bueno. Hola, ¿me escuchan? Oh, esto está muy bueno. No sé qué es una B. ¿Eso es mucho más? Ah, putas. Cambia el menú. Es oxígeno. Esto no sé qué es. Y eso tampoco sé qué es. Qué lindo que está. No enemy pilot detected around one. ¿Esto qué es? Este no sé qué es. Ok. Hacemos acá.
Go ahead, you bastard. Go ahead, you.
¿En serio? ¿Eso estaba haciendo tú recién? Un giro, ahí está. Vi algo ahí. How do I recharge this shit? Of course. Oh, no sigo. No llega. Para allá, boludo. Esto no hace nada. Oh, sí hace. ¿Cómo recargo? How do I reload this shit?
Hello? Anyone?
Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me?
What's up, bro?
Hello, can you hear me? Hey, buddy. Do you have any idea how to use this
Yeah.
thing?
Have you activated the 4 buttons already on top?
Yeah. I'm on the machine moving around. I shot all my bullets, and I guess I don't know how to reload.
Oh, right joystick down reloads.
Right, Joe.
Yeah, put it back towards you, man.
The right one.
On your right controller.
Oh, there you go.
Hold it.
There you
When you
go.
reload, it only reloads one, and then if it does that, then
Then I need to select the other
Like,
weapon,
click up.
and yeah, I got it. Oh, thanks. You're the man.
Yeah, you can reload both if you got it pushed forwards and then bring it back. Wow. If you push it forwards, you can fire both guns at the same time.
What happened when I push it forward?
You
Ah,
can
it's
fire
select both.
guns at the same time. And then if you put it straight back, you can reload both at the same time.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty helpful. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good fun. And
I have
obviously you can select which
kind
one
of
later
like a
from those
sniper.
you want.
thing what? So cute. Well, I'm currently
It's pretty cool,
I
actually.
hope people know that in this area you don't actually do any damage.
Yeah, that's good practice for aiming, isn't it?
I'm just parkouring right here.
Oh, I think I see you jumping on the orange tiles. I think I see you.
Yeah,
Oh, you just
I'm the
fell.
one waving at you.
No, that's me. You just fell.
I'm just going on the orange tiles. I'm not the one that's on.
Ooh, big red button. Oh, big red button makes that go boom.
Okay, wait. Let me go there. I want to go there. Obstacle course yet? I want to try that one.
Oh, you're gonna burn.
I got stuck. I can now move. Oh, buddy, you're there. What the fuck are you doing there?